Okay, we have a special guest, Urpi, today with me. He doesn't want to be separated and want a part of it, so I guess we're gonna go like this. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about this Aviatrix hat. We have a solid pom-pom version of it. This is new multicolor pom-pom version. And we donated 50% of DIY kit and 100% of pattern to this organization called She Should Run. She Should Run, the goal is to send more elected women officials, right?
So the goal is to get more women to run for elected office. We need to have more women in government, because we are underrepresented right now.
That's true. And we also, Loopy Mango is like Anna and me, owned by women. So we want to support other women. And this is one bowl of Merino No. 5. Oh, okay, goodbye.
We lost our special guest.
And we have a children's version too. And I have more colors. And this originally inspired by like women pilots in 20s and 30s. They were early advocate for equal right amendment, right? So this is what is it? Our new color, mustard and hot pink. That was very cute. And this is also our new color, army green. And you can cover your ears and you can wear with anything. And this is Anna's favorite, right? Navy, navy blue and navy and yellow. And probably my favorite, hot pink.
Wei Zhong's favorite.
And this is sage. It's very light green. It's very pretty and hot pink. And I also have polar bear and yellow. So this all you can make like one bowl of Merino No. 5 and any combination of multicolored pom-pom. That's it. Cute, Urpi.
And we will have a video tutorial on how to do
make,
multicolored pom-poms.